the S24 Ultra Face biggest controversy right now related to the display. Some people report that the S24 Ultra display is not as vivid as it used to be at something, but now Samsung has officially responded related to this issue. They are trying to solve this issue with the next update. Samsung has slightly more boosted colors in the vivid profile with the next update. Samsung has also responded to another big concern regarding the Galaxy AI features. According to Samsung, Galaxy AI features will require a paid fee. It's only the most powerful AI features, and everyone is not need this feature. Those will have some added fee attached to them, but currently pretty much all the AI features in the S24 Ultra remain free, which is defiantly good and big news. If Samsung is asking for money for AI features so of course they're definitely going to bring some powerful AI features that will probably be worth that money. According to rumors, Samsung is also introduce a cheaper version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to rumors, his name is Bingo. We're not really sure about the name, but the internal number Q6 points to Z Fold 6 probability. Samsung has always put those flagship level budget devices in their fan edition category. So this is inside a great news, and I think it's the perfect time to introduce a fan edition Fold. So that's all the latest news. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.